Creating a custom field in Salesforce is a very simple process. If I wanted, for example, to track my competitors that I was coming across in some of the opportunities we've been working for, as the administrator, what I'd need to do is go up to the setup area. On the left, the administrative console opens. I go into App Setup and Customize. And then I can select the tab, or as we call them in Salesforce, object, that I would like to add the field to, in this case, Opportunities. So I go into Opportunities, select Fields, and I'll see all of the standard fields that already exist. As I scroll down, I simply hit New to create a new custom field on the opportunity. There's about 19 different types of fields that you can get in Salesforce, and as we're tracking competitor, I think that the best thing to do is to do a multi-select pick list. We may be competing against one or more competitors in an opportunity. Now, simply name the field, put in some values, and as is the case with most new fields, to keep it very clear, I'm going to put in some help for this field. So we'll just say this is to track competitor for questions, and we'll give them our support line. Now, if you're using the Professional Edition or lower, you're done here. But with Enterprise and Unlimited, we'll take it to a couple different levels. So when I hit Next, we now have the ability to establish field level security, meaning that different profiles can have different levels of access to this field. For example, my contract manager doesn't even need to see that this field exists. My marketing user, well, they only need to know that this field exists and they can read it, but they can't modify it. But everybody else has full read and write privileges on this particular field. I hit Next, it will take me into my page layout. If I have different business processes that I'm setting up, I can put this field onto different page layouts so that it's seen by different profiles. I'm going to leave it as it is and hit Save. So now we've created our field, determined who has access to it, and saved it. When I go back into my opportunity now, I'm going to be able to see that new field down here with our help, but I don't really want it down here. I'd like to move this further up the screen. So I'm going to go into Edit Layout and move that from down at the bottom where it was located, and drag that right up to the top where we have better access to it. Now that I've saved that, it's going to be moved and visible for everybody, and I can now completely use this field. Go in, select the competitors that we're competing against, and this field is immediately available for reporting. So I'm now able to say, show me all my opportunities where I'm competing against competitor 1 or competitor 3, and this opportunity will immediately show